Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Sagittarius. Sagittarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. So Sagittarius, this is your current energy, King of Pentacles. It seems like you are feeling drained. It seems like you feel that nobody is there for you. Nobody is there to listen to you. Okay, you have everything in life, be it money things, be it material things, be it good home, be it good family, be it good career, but somewhere somehow you feel alone, you feel aloof, you feel that people come in your life, they take advantage of you and they just move on. And with regards to your relationship, your person is feeling you that you are not worth it, that you are not good enough, and somewhere somehow they treat you as somebody who is not worth of their love and their affection, and that thing makes you feel bad, that thing hurts you, that thing makes you, that's why you feel aloof, that's why you feel alone. On the other hand, we have the High Priestess. This is your partner's current energy, Sagittarius. Your partner is being somebody who is not opening up their things. They are hiding something from you. They are hiding their emotions, they are hiding their things, they are hiding their feelings, what they are going through, what they are thinking about you, what they are feeling about you in this relationship, how they want you to behave, how they want them to be in this relationship. So there is a lot of hiding. They are hiding something from you, Sagittarius people. Now let's see what is the mutual energy between Sagittarius and their person. What is the mutual energy between Sagittarius and their person? Patience. Either both of you are waiting to end this relationship on a good note, or both of you are waiting to take a new step in this relationship. Whatever the case it is, both of you are trying to figure out the ways how you can improve this relationship or how you can end this relationship. And the good thing is that both of you wants to end this relationship, or whatever the decisions you guys are going to take in this relationship, both of you wants to deal with a full dignity. Okay, it seems like you are investing your time, you are seeing how this person is reacting, they are seeing how you are reacting in certain situations. So right now you guys are having a lot of patience with each other. You are seeing what's coming up for you from them. So you are taking your own time, they are taking their own time to come up on a particular or solid action, or solid decision. Okay, now let's see, Sagittarius, how your person sees you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, and what actions they can take towards you in future. So with this first card, laziness, your person sees you as somebody who has achieved a lot. Okay, you have achieved a lot of thing in your life. Okay, this is the reason you are being King of Pentacles, who has everything. So with this laziness card, your person sees you as somebody who has achieved a lot. You feel that, okay, I have achieved something in life, now I don't want to do anything else. Okay, if somebody wants to be in my life, they can put their all efforts, I am not going to do anything. Okay, so they see you as somebody who's being very, very lazy in this relationship. And also they are seeing that since you are in this energy of laziness, you are not taking any action towards your life, you are not dealing with your bad flows. That thing, from your person's perspective, that thing is definitely going to harm you in a so badly. Okay, the floor is about to break. The floor on which you are sitting, this floor is about to break. Your own people can ditch you. That's how your person sees you, because you are being so lazy, you're not doing anything, you are just enjoying your own time. And this can be a big opportunity for your rivals, for your competitors, for the people around you who do not want you to be successful in life. Okay, The current action which your person is doing towards you is that I'm seeing that they are sending you healings, and this is the reason that they are not talking to you right now, because this could be one of the reasons. They are sending you healings, they are praying for you, they are doing a lot of spiritual stuff for you. So even though you are being very careless about your life, you are being very lazy in your life, your person is working for you, your person is praying for you, your person is working on your growth. They are sending you healing, love, and their blessings. Okay, all right. In future, it seems like your person is going to take a leap of faith in this relationship with you. Okay, now it is completely up to you whether you can hold them or protect them or save them or not. But in future, I can see that this person is going to put all their faith in you. Now it is completely up to you how you can handle it, how you are going to save them. All right. Okay. So Sagittarius people, in this reading, some of you could be dealing with water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. We have Pisces in this reading. Some of you could be dealing with earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And yes. Okay. So Sagittarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.